All set, ready to race. Good luck on your winner take all. Stand by na for a dispatch. With a favorite G-Queen. Second choice, Red Wine. Gates open, they're up and racing. Red Wine draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail, Atoy. For us, then comes Bahala Na. G-Queen racing in fourth, then running on the outside, and Skorik. Isaiah Dragon comes next as they race towards the half mile pole. Atoy for us, this time by about 3 lengths. Bahala Na is running in second. Red Wine running on the outside, then sneaking in by the release the favorite G-Queen, then Skorik. Isaiah Dragon now trying to get closer as they rounded a 600 with Atoy for us still leading the field. Red Wine moving up on the outside. Together is G-Queen. Bahala Na by the rail, then Skorik. Isaiah Dragon as they race for home. Red Wine running on the outside. G-Queen by the rail moving up. Isaiah Dragon and into the home stretch. It's G-Queen running at the center. Red Wine on the outside. Isaiah Dragon moving up by the rail and down the stretch and leading the finish line. G-Queen, Red Wine is on the outside. Red Wine, G-Queen is by the rail. Red Wine, G-Queen down on the inside and leading the finish line. Fernando Raquel Jr. on Red Wine. Winning this race over G-Queen, Isaiah Dragon, Dan Skorik, Atoy for us.
Okay, 9-2.